Hello you guys! My windows are in desperate need for curtains. There's no better day than today to start working on them. To start with the curtain rod, this is what I need. Just the tips of 2 popsicle sticks, a drill, a ruler, a saw, and glue of your choice. I am drilling a hole at exactly 1/8 of an inch. And it's amazing how well this drill works. Do it to all 4 tips. I have my 4 holes drilled, and now I'm just going to open it all the way out with a razor blade. So now I have, this is going to be the cradle for the rod. Since my window frames are painted with the color eggshell, I'm going to do the same thing to the base of my curtain rod, and this is going to be the easiest paint job ever. And then I'll set it out to dry. This is a crafting stick. Since it's very long, I only need one portion of it. I need the smallest side of the pencil sharpener, and I'm going to make a tip. It is sharpened, and the reason I need to do that is because at the end I'm going to add this bead, and this is going to be done on the 2 ends of the crafting stick. These are my 2 curtain rods. Again, paint them, don't paint them, it's up to you. I think I'm going to leave them this without paint because they will be hidden by the curtains. I have selected this pleated lace for my curtains. I find that sometimes what gives away the curtains, the miniature curtains, is that the pleats are too big. Right here, that problem doesn't exist because the pleats are already made and they're very tiny. Unfortunately, this is not the complete length that I need. I need 7 inches in length, and this is about 6.5. So what I'm going to do is I will use this for the panel on the side, and then I will cut a little bit of the bottom and use it for the balance. My side panel is only going to be the width of one of these scallops. This is my side panel. This is going to be my balance. This is the back of the curtain, and I have glued the 2 panels to the balance using fabric fusion, and I just have it here waiting for it to dry. The curtains are now adorning the windows. One more step in completing the renovation of this living room. There is a video of every single step that has brought this room to look the way it looks right now. We invite you to come with us in our journey to renovate this dollhouse. Thank you for watching.